Welcome to the Fashion Pulse Ltd, strategically located in Tongi BISIC, Gazipur. As a proud sister concern of Fashion Step Group, our facility reflects our commitment to excellence, innovation, and operational efficiency. Our fabric warehouse is systematically organised to ensure smooth material management prior to the cutting process. Fabrics are stored on designated racks with proper identification. Each rack is equipped with a bin card detailing customer information and fabric specifications, ensuring full traceability and transparency throughout the production cycle. Adjacent to the warehouse, our fabric inspection room is designed to maintain stringent quality standards. Upon receiving any fabric consignment, our dedicated QA team conducts thorough inspections. We typically inspect 10% of each consignment as per standard quality protocol. In case of any irregularities, an additional inspection, up to another 10%, is carried out to ensure compliance. A dedicated darkroom facility is also available for precise shade evaluation before the fabric is released to the cutting floor. Our trims and accessories warehouse is efficiently managed to support uninterrupted production. All materials are stored systematically prior to line issuance. We conduct detailed inventory checks and quality inspections to ensure accurate quantity and compliance with buyer requirements. The factory provides a hygienic and well-managed canteen facility for all employees and workers. Additionally, individual lockers are available to ensure safe storage of personal belongings, promoting comfort and security within the workplace. The finished goods area is designated for storing completed products prior to shipment. The space is organised to maintain product integrity and shipment readiness. Our facility has the capacity to store approximately 270,000 pieces at any given time, ensuring smooth logistics coordination. We maintain a dedicated garments inspection room tailored to individual customer requirements. A designated GPQ team supports the inspection process and works closely with buyer QA representatives to ensure all products meet required quality standards before shipment. Our Skill Development Centre serves as a dedicated training hub for new operators. Workers receive structured training before being deployed to bulk sewing lines, ensuring productivity, skill enhancement, and consistent quality standards. The finished goods area is designated for storing completed products prior to shipment. The space is organised to maintain product integrity and shipment readiness. Our facility has the capacity to store approximately 270,000 pieces at any given time, ensuring smooth logistics coordination. Our cutting section functions as the central cutting unit of the factory. Equipped with 4 automatic cutting machines in addition to manual machines, we maintain high precision and productivity. The unit has a monthly capacity of approximately 250,000 pieces. We follow transparent and well-documented SOPs to minimize fabric wastage and optimize efficiency. Our sewing section is the core of our production operations. The facility houses approximately 490 machines supported by 498 skilled manpower across 12 production lines. We produce approximately 8,000 pieces per day and 280,000 pieces per month. Our product mix consists of 70% ladies' lightweight items and 30% men's items, including bottoms, 83,200 pieces per month. Tops, 124,800 pieces per month. The section is managed under strict quality control procedures to ensure efficiency and consistency. To To support our workforce, we provide a well-facilitated childcare room for employees with children. The facility is managed by trained caregivers appointed by the company, ensuring a safe and nurturing environment. This initiative reflects our commitment to employee welfare and work-life balance. We are supported by a highly experienced design and development team, dedicated to aligning with customer requirements and market trends. Our team collaborates closely with clients to develop innovative and quality-driven products that reflect our core strengths and technical expertise.